Right then people, well I'm just saddling up for a trip to Skye, going with my friend called Joel. I think it's 4 other bikers, possibly 3. I think they've got some serious kit as well, so that'll be a fun weekend. So it's Sunday now, we're going up tonight, riding tomorrow, and then we're back Wednesday. So Joel's very kindly offered to pick me up in his van and take my bike there on his way up from Lincolnshire. So that's really helpful for me, because kind of just had the bike serviced, just did its first service a couple of days ago. Didn't really want to put over 1,000 miles on it there and back in, or best part of. I just sat on the motorway, a bit boring. So yeah, I've not freshened up yet, but I'll be sorting myself out soon. So I'll just show you the Krieger setup. So this is the US 30. It's going to absolutely piss it down I think soon, so I'm glad I'm getting the lift. That's not going anywhere. There you go. So yeah, we'll load the bike into the back of the van and then we'll be setting off. So catch you in a bit.
You getting a moustache in?
Go on then, get your tash in.
Or are we going to get a YouTube video of spitting a ramp out?
What you need to do.
Do you want to go to the front and then
pull it in?
yeah, well just make sure that
That's just soft, isn't it?
The wooden top. You figure out how you want to strap the front.
Yeah. Nice. A bit different to mine. I think it's on. So welcome guys, we're here at Ryan's house. He's been kind enough to host us yesterday and did us breakfast this morning and stuff. So we're in Scotland, we're in Ayr I think. I've done really well out of this trip. Joel has been kind enough to take me up in his van, so I didn't need to drive this thing all the way. We've got Andy, Ryan and... oh, just had a mind blank there. Millsy, there we go. So the 3 of them bought gases, which look great. Take them around the track and everything. But I prefer to be on this for this trip, I would say. Do look good though. So you kept your keyring? Yeah. From Saudi?
Got 3, 1 for all.
I don't know where we're going either, so oh, what's that? God, my bike's quiet, I don't like it. Listen, this thing. Bloody hell. Off we go. This is going to be good. Hopefully everything stays on. That's the anti-vibration mount. We're doing a 3-day trip round the west coast of Scotland, should I say. And we seem to be doing okay with the weather so far. So the problem with, normally I would carry a rucksack with me, but with the Krager tail pack, it's already quite bulky, and which means as well it's hard to get into quickly compared to a rucksack anyway. So if it does start raining, I'm going to have to pull in, whip it off, take the clips off, get my stuff out, put it on. Inevitably going to get a bit wet, but cameras, just what we want. So we're off to get the ferry now. It's every 15 minutes or so. I think you've got to go into a little shop first to get your tickets or something. It's all new to me, this. Oh, easy. Right, so we've just been to the shop. Oh, look at the weather, shit. Full waterproofs, I think, now. Yeah, just been to the shop and got some tickets for the ferry. And now we're off to find the boat. Yeah, we're going to get absolutely fucking soaked, aren't we? Oh, we've got a nice bar. Okay. Hi guys. got to do a vlog. It's the rules. So the weather was pretty shit for most of the day, so didn't I had to set the GoPro off just after, as we got on the ferry. Meet Andy. So yeah, we've just got to the B&B now, so I thought I'll just show you the bikes we've got. So this is the now filthy Tuono. I'll have to blur that out. We've got this special Street Fighter. MT10 SP, and the gases. SS. I'll make you famous, Millsy.
Yeah.
With me 400 subscribers. That's a fair bit of kit, isn't it? Right then, so I thought I'd put my helmet on early so I could take some footage without carrying everything. There are the bikes. Ooh, bit of a misty window there. Hopefully I've not forgotten anything. Oh, that's the onesie gear up today. Waterproofs on. Welcome to Scotland. We've got everything there. Oh, it's not looking good. So yeah, yesterday when we got on the ferry, I switched the GoPro off and it didn't make an appearance again because we were into showers. Hello. Right then. So the Krager backpack is so easy to saddle up, and probably so easy to unsaddle or desaddle or whatever you call it. So I am a bit concerned sometimes leaving it at car parks and stuff. I just whip it off and take it with me, because within 4 clips someone can nick all your stuff and that's your holiday ruined. Got the road lock, that's just a blank to stop shit going in, clearly limited effect. Good idea though, isn't it? And for those of you not used it, that just goes through you, it locates somewhere in one of your holes, so to speak. Oh, fucking crap right in my mouth there. Right, so hotel's literally a minute that way. We just stopped for fuel, and against my better judgment I thought I'd put the GoPro on. If it starts raining I'll just have to pull in. I just don't want to slow the guys down, always stopping slow enough as it is on the road. So I think we're going to a castle or something first for a coffee and a bit of a mooch around. God, it's hot. I've got my penguin gloves on, as they've been termed already. I'll give you the full effect of this Ducati starting up. It's filthy though, isn't it? Look at those views, fantastic, isn't it? Joel's trying a wheelie, come on. Yeah, fair play for the guys doing the tour on the gases. Certainly wouldn't be my bike of choice, it's quite uncomfortable. Funny, all my or some of my colleagues take the piss out of me because I spend all my holidays just riding motorbikes rather than going abroad and sitting on the beach. But I'd rather be doing this any day of the week. Bumpy. One thing I've noticed about this bike, it's done nearly 1,000 miles now. Oh. We went for it right now. Is you've really got to be in a lower gear than you would be on a straight 4. 6 gears more of an overdrive.
70 about does it. Other than that, it struggles. What a lovely set of roads. Oh. Keep an eye out for someone flying up my arse now. Woo. That's alright, wasn't it? Yeah, it's okay. I've seen you checking it. It's not moving much. Well, it's normal. Wheelie attempt for me. The quick those gases is. Riding it a lot quicker than I used to ride my KTM. Fair play. Go in front. Get some footage. Tell you what, you get absolutely pebble dashed. Sticky tyres. We'll let Millsy go in front because we might not have much opportunity for footage. One thing I was just reflecting on as well is I was a little bit apprehensive, if that's the right word, annoyed, should I say, about potential rain on this trip, and I looked at the forecast and it looked absolutely shocking, and yesterday was pretty bad, to be fair, but it isn't actually as bad in reality as I hyped it up to be. These waterproofs, the Dionysi top and bottom, just what it says on the tin, you know, they are waterproof. I'm not wet at all. I've got my big mitts on, and you know, we're not exactly poodling round, so yeah, it's not too bad really. Loving all the mod cons of the Tuono as well. It's the only bike I've got with proper electronics on it. Well, my BSA's got electronic ignition, but I didn't mean that. Yeah, we've got it in tour mode, which is kind of the wet mode I've got really. Engine braking's high. Traction's on 8 out of 8, I think. Can it go higher? put it up. I think 8 out of 8 is a lot. So yeah, you know. The quick shifter's fantastic in the down blipper as well. I mean, I find sometimes when you're doing 6 hours a day and you've got a heavy clutch on your bike, my wrists get knackered. So that's quite handy. For a view. Wow. It's incredible. Right, well, we've just stopped after a very long soaking wet run. It's this visitor's castle. I'm surprised the GoPro's still bloody working. Been absolutely soaked. It was alright. What's that? Tired?
Well, my hands being shaken.
Oh, the vibration.
Brake hard on the bus. Like, what the fuck are you doing?
Did you see the big sweeping corner of the car face sitting just at the side of the road? That's the one we're talking about. It's flying round and everybody.
I'm glad we came in here after.
What's the plan here, Ryan? Is it, we're going in the there's a coffee shop in there or something?
No, the coffee shop's there. That's the castle there.
Okay.
So you can. Sometimes they try and charge you at the bridge to go across.
Right, right.
Sometimes they're not there. You can just freely walk round it.
Sure.
But this is the most photographed castle in Scotland.
Right.
Because of the Scotland flag there.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Lovely views, isn't it?
Beautiful, nice. It's a shame it's raining, but I took in the scenery a wee bit more than I did the last time.
Yeah, yeah.
Dry.
Well,
They were fucking gunning it, but
yeah.
this time it was just too wet.
Well, we got a little bit at the start, didn't we?
I like the scenery, but when you got stuck behind all them, that fucking one car that had the bus behind it,
Yeah.
you're doing 30 mile an hour, yeah. What are you doing? The bus is like, can't get over past it.
Is that the one that slowed down because I overtook her? She slowed right
She
down.
did it again, but every single one of them that went past, she's like, couple of stop.
Pulled in here.
Good girl.
I know, I beat me home when I went past and then literally pulled in here.
Well, I'm assuming once we get to the other side,
We're staying in my lake.
Yeah,
Aye.
yeah.
It's a nice little place to be fair. Yeah. It's for the Harry Potter train stops. Do you know the Jacobite train?
Right.
For Harry Potter that goes over the Glenfinnan Viaduct. So it goes from back and forth from my lake to Fort William.
Right.
So you can get a return.
Say hello. Are we saddling up?
This is going to be us. Anywhere else. That's a point. They're good.
Oh, that's your that's it there.
Yeah.
I wonder what that was. I thought it was something for the.
That's my optimizer.
Yeah.
Plugs in there and then I just cable tied it.
Right.
Never used it.
Oh, for phone charging and stuff.
Yeah.
I thought it was a track GPS or something at first. You know those things you have.
That's alright, that.
Yeah, yeah. Do like the paint on it.
Very smart.
Lovely.
I gave it a couple of polishes for it. stones like. Road surfer. You got wet feet?
Huh?
Have you got wet feet?
Yep. Are you?
I've got a little pool at the bottom.
Yeah. Sloshes about when you go up in.
It's quite nice. It's warm now.
Is it? You're gonna get trench foot.
No.
The annoying thing is, I have over boots, but because my feet were dry yesterday, I thought, oh,
False sense of
unnecessary. How I was wrong.
39, okay.
Huh? Yep. Slippery when wet. I don't suppose you know how long the ferry crossing takes?
It's not long.
No?
It's like 20 to 30 minutes maybe.
Oh.
If that. I've like my gear there. What are you doing to the cover?
Got a hand?
Alright.
Oh, thank you, mate. Cheers. Sorry. Oh. British weather, huh?
Nicely made, she's up here. Up here. Yeah, we're having radiated. Mine! How dare you? You've stolen my dreams.
Hello?
Mine! Whoa, that's glove territory, that.
Are we sharing one, Joel? Yeah. To be fair, they're not even on. Well, that one isn't.
Nice one. Nice one.
Nearly on a bit more than that. Listen, the sound of that. Can you hear it?
Gonna be touching you. Gonna be touching you. Just crash.
Kiln dried, huh? This looks nice.
Hey Chris. Oh yeah. Feel like you've had fun. You been swimming or something?
I've just been crying in the car park.
Scuba Steve.
I've just been out jet skiing.
Scuba Steve says.
Breakfast to your
I'll go on this way. Oh, off to you then.
Sorry.
It's alright. Redecorating.
I'm broken now.
What are you?
We done this. We're 23.
Oh, we're going through there.
We're up here.
See you later, guys.
See you in a bit. Yeah, cheers.
Oh, we're 19.
Fuck me.
That only goes to...
It's going well, isn't it?
Wait for us, guys.
It's like the blind leading the blind. Day 2. Not a success.
Shite, innit?
I mean, you take the risk, don't you, with Scotland?
All part of the experience.
Yeah.
Hey, you live in the desert, this is nice. Bit of rain.
Yeah, a bit. Right then people, so day 3 of the 3-day trip to the Isle of Skye. Bikes are here. So, look at that, absolutely filthy. Saddens me to see that. So that's mine. We've got Millsy's gas, sorry, we call it KTM. Joel's gas as well, with a gear lever that we nearly lost on the ride. So these single cylinders do vibrate quite a lot. And we just did a wrong turn around, and Joel had to pull in. And this was hanging off. Thankfully we made the wrong turn, because otherwise he'd have lost it down the road, and then without the nut, if you'd lost the bolt as well, what do you do? It'd be a van jobby. We've got Ryan's Street Fighter V4, insanely loud, and then we've got Andy's SP NT10. So yeah, as you can see, the weather's pretty shit. It has been all trip. It's certainly not ruined the trip, but it's not quite been what we were hoping for. I'll just show you the view at the front though. Here we go, look at this. So yeah, we're off to get breakfast from a local cafe this morning. It's the latest start of the day, of the trip, and it's the longest trip of the lot. Sorry, still waking up a bit. So yeah, we're going to go to get some breakfast from a cafe, come back, saddle up, head off, and then it's a long journey home, down to Ayr. So where are we now? Mallaig. So we're going to Fort William, I think, then down to somewhere, getting the train across to Ayr, loading up the van with the bikes, and driving back down. Joel's got an even longer day than I have. Poor fella, he's working tomorrow as well. But that's what it is. So yeah, catch you in a bit.
Right then. So, incredible timing. Walked into the village for some food at a really nice like French patisserie type thing. I'll put a picture up just on the marina. And got back, got changed, literally come outside, it started to rain. I'm last to get ready today. I've been fucking about in the room. Someone appreciates it. Right then. Oh, kick that Tuono. Oh, and again. I've got the over boots on today. It should be better. They're a bit cumbersome though. Yeah, Mallaig this is, lovely little place. You don't want to spend a week here though. I don't know whether it's a thing in Scotland that there's maybe just a lot of respect for bikers, but they don't like separating a group. It's quite nice, but you don't know what they're doing. There's Nosy. Right, so we've just finished our last stop of the day. Well, say last stop of the day. Last pleasurable stop. The next one's a ferry. God, it's filthy this. I wonder if you could put it in the washing machine. Oh, that one. So I've elected to leave the waterproof top on, at least I can move about a bit at the bottom. Hot, hot, hot. That'll do. Let's have a rear view. Yeah, because it's still a bit cloudy. I think we're working our way around the bottom of the lake and up there somewhere now, and then over them mountains. Watching me vlog. Now these gloves feel a bit wet. I've had my overgloves on. I'm not sure whether that's just sweat. Oh, look at that. Oh. The rampant sounds of a V4 are not coming from this, but this might. Filthy dirty. Got everything. Right, what a wonderful way to end the trip. Let the fun begin. I think this is Lomond. I think. Might be wrong. Usually am. So I'll just sign the video off here probably because the battery's going to die, no doubt. It's been an incredible 3 days actually. It's a bit of a shame about the weather, but I mean the way up there was mostly dry, and obviously the way back home now is... Why is he slowing down? I'll let him off. It is wonderful. So we're going to get on the ferry in about 5 minutes, and then we're going back to Ryan's, who kindly hosted us the first night, picking up the van, putting the bikes in the van, and then Joel and I are going to depart around about Penrith way. So it's very kind of him to do that for me. Don't fancy another 4 hours in the saddle after doing about 5 today. So yeah, look at it now. Oh, what a lovely little village this place. You alright? That last bit, that made the trip, didn't it?
Yeah, I enjoyed that.
That was good.